One skill of ChatGPT that I think is underrated that people don't talk about enough is its ability to sort information. So what I'm going to show you today is I'm actually going to pull information off a really messy PDF so that I can use it in a new format. Let me show you what I mean. So this is a PDF of a vocabulary quiz that I have to get out of this software and put into a different format. And so while it seems really kind of messy, I'm just going to highlight all of this text because I want to pull out these questions.
So the prompt for this was pretty simple. It says place this data into a table. And then I just pasted the stuff right out of that PDF into ChatGPT. It even includes some extra stuff that doesn't even need to be there. And what ChatGPT returned was the word in one column and the 4 answer choices here. So on the first try, I didn't get quite what I wanted, but here, with a follow-up prompt, I asked it to put the vocabulary word in the first column and the 4 answer choices in 4 additional columns. Now I have something that I can work with. This can be imported into a lot of different games and even into a Google form.
The more you play around with the ChatGPT's data organization skill and creating tables, the more you realize how much it can be a time saver for teachers. So give it a try.